Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add a passkey on your Binance app for extra security. First, open the Binance app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile. It shows your UID and account status like verified or unverified. Inside your account center, scroll down and tap on Security. On the Security page, find and tap on Passkeys. Next, tap on Add Passkey and then choose Passkey as authenticator. Binance will ask you to verify your identity. A code will be sent to your registered email. Enter that code to continue. For your current device, proceed with biometric verification, either your fingerprint or Face ID. Once the verification is done, your passkey will be successfully added to your Binance account. And that's it. Now you have an even more secure way to log into Binance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.